Hello and welcome back everyone into this fifth video of the ninth chapter where we're going to talk about accessing strings, which is going to be playing with strings. Okay, so before we start, let's look at the little context that we have, which is going to be accessing strings. We'll see an example, we'll see how do you print the second character, we'll see how do you change the character, and we'll see an example for that as well. So it's going to be super exciting. Now let's start with the basic and the most important idea of that, what exactly are we going to do. So you can access the character in a string by referring to its index number. Now what is an index number is something that is going to be very important. I'm going to tell you right away after this. For example, if you want to print the first character in my string, how do you do that? Let me press escape and let me copy this program and put it on my VS Code. Okay, now I'm going to save this program and run it right away, and something is happening over here. Okay, now we get the output as H. Okay, now what we have is hello. Now what is indexing? Indexing means you are going to index everything. Okay, and remember, always indexing starts with 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So hello has 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different characters, but it starts from 0. Very, very important. Okay, so this is something that you should be knowing. Now if you want to print E, you would press 1. Okay, let's save this, let's run it. Okay, you get E now. Why? Because at index 1 you have E. Okay, very, very easy, very, very helpful. You can print O as well. Let's print O is on 4th value, so fourth index, and we'll get O. Okay, as simple as that. Now let's come back and let's see what we have in the program. Is that we are basically giving an exact address of what we need in the output. Now printing second character, we just actually saw this. So as you move forward and as you change the value, you can print any character you want. So it's very helpful that you can change the index of it, and you can move in whatever values you want. Now changing string characters, to change the value of a specific character in string refers to index, you use a single quote. Example of it is explained now. So we'll see an example of this thing. So what exactly are we doing over here is something that I want to show you by the running of the code. Let me copy this. Okay, copy and paste it over here and paste. Now before I actually start, if you remember what we were doing, we were indexing things. Okay, so on 0 index we have H. So what is this program going to do? This program is going to replace the string. Okay, what we are doing is we are telling that on index 0 I want J. Okay, so we are going to override this thing. Let's see the output. So you got jello instead of hello. Why? Because you changed this value and you got J instead. Let me just copy and paste it over here. Let me change the last as well. Okay, let me change the fourth one, and I'm going to change it with Y. Okay, so let's print this. So you get jelly. Okay, what happened over here is you basically change the first character and the last character, and you kept the center body the same. Okay, it's pretty powerful because you don't really want to do it again and again. So this is the way how you actually do it, and this is the way how you can accommodate all these things as well. I hope you had a great understanding of this. Now let's go back and let's see. Okay, so this covers how do you change a value in a string as well, and that's pretty much all you need to know in all these things. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. Till then, happy learning and take care of yourself. Peace.